In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install some RAM into a desktop computer. I have here is one stick of DDR2 RAM, and the first thing you need to do is to figure out what type of RAM your computer's motherboard can support. This particular motherboard can support DDR2 RAM, the new computers can support DDR3, and the old ones DDR1. The second step is to locate the RAM slots on the motherboard, and they're located here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 slots on the motherboard, and you'll notice that there are these latches here. So before you install the RAM, you need to make sure the latches are released by pressing down on them. And then you need to notice on the actual slot that there's a little notch here that's almost halfway but not quite. So you find the shorter end, which is this one, and then you match that up with the shorter end of the RAM, which is right here. And you take your RAM and then you slide it in. Once it's in there, you can press down firmly until you hear the snap, just like that. I'm going to install my second stick over here on the other channel, which is yellow. Again, you want to unclip the clips up here and down below. Match up the short end with the short end of the slot. Insert your card. When it's in, press down firmly. And there you go. You've just installed some RAM.